Hey good people, so thank you for visiting my channel. So today what we'll be doing, we'll be making these hand painted earrings. So grab you some paint and some wood pieces and let's get started. So today we're going to be using red, white, and black as our paint color choices, and we're going to be using these teardrop wood pieces, including some round, small pieces and some small square pieces. So now we're going to just draw some random design onto our pieces. So we're painting our mini circles red and our mini squares black. You will not see the footage for the mini squares, and you will not be able to see the footage for me drilling the holes. I do not know what happened to that footage, but however, here I am just adding the hot glue to secure the pieces together. And then you will see me do the jump rings and attaching the pieces together with the hardware. So guys, it's pretty much done. Only thing I need to do is allow it to dry, and then once it dry, I'll go around and clean up the little imperfections, and then it will be a completed design. So thank you guys. I had fun creating as always. I hope that you had fun visiting my channel. I love you guys. I appreciate you for subscribing, and I hope that you have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye bye.